Hello, everybody. How are you? Fine. That's good. Today we are going to continue practicing phonology. Here we go. Open your book to page number 20, spelling lesson 3. Okay. You can do it. And I know it. Okay, what do you have to do here? First, write the missing letters. You have to complete the words here and then write the whole word, okay, on the line. Okay, in order to refresh your mind, help me to complete this game. Okay, what we have to do here is find the words from the list in the puzzle. Okay, here we go. We have clown, crown, ship, sound, fit, team, seal, be, out, and how. Okay, to start with clown. Okay, help me do the other. Crown. Okay, I found it because you're helping me. Yes. Okay, sheep. Okay, where's sheep? Got it. I got it. Okay. Now help me with sound. Sound. Where is sound? I found it. Excellent. Now help me with feet. Where is feet? Got it. I got it. Okay. Team. Where is team? Help me. Yes. Clear. You are awesome. Okay, now help me with seal. Seal. Okay, I got it. Okay. We almost finished. Okay, B. Okay, I found it. Out. Where is out? Okay, it's here. Just one word. Finish. Okay, the word is how. Move. And I finished. Congratulations, you passed this activity. The time 1 minute 42 and the score is 100 points. Okay, excellent, very good. Okay, it's your turn to put in practice your words here. I know that you can do it, but if not, let me know by email or by platform. Okay? And remember, nobody's perfect. That's why pencils have erasers. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.